Hey guys, Nate here with Bill's Gun Shop and Range. We've got another exciting unboxing for you today. It's a product we've all been waiting a very long time for. It's the Silencerco Maxim 9. It's the integrally suppressed 9mm pistol. It's a great looking box here, nice cardboard, black on black printing. Look at the firearm on the inside. It's basically set up in the long configuration. There are the two configurations for this one. It's going to have the long and the short. The long configuration is good for 115 grain, 124 grain, and 147 grain. All of those are going to come in at hearing safe levels. In the short configuration, we're going to go 147 grain at a hearing safe level. On top of the firearm there, you can see that there's a spot for your optics. You can put an RMR, a Vortex, whatever you want to put on there, loophole. It's got those options for you. We also have a Magpul PMag Extra there, so it does come with two magazines, and they are just Glock standard mags. So that's going to be a nice feature for all those guys that already have those at home. Also inside the box here, we're going to have a couple more things. We've got the little bag of accessories and a manual. So we've got the manual down low there. So let's take a look at some of the accessories that they've given us in this pouch. All right, standard lock, a couple keys. Looks like we also get an extra magazine release, so that's just going to be in case you break it or something along those lines. Looks like we have the rods for the short configuration. Those rods basically are going to replace the rods on the front there just to shorten it up. And an Allen wrench to take the firearm down and change it into the short configuration. Looks like this gun's gonna be a lot of fun to shoot. I'm excited to go try one myself. We have them on sale right now for $14.49. I'm excited to help you buy one of these and take it home as soon as possible. Don't sit around and wait for that HPA. We want to try to get these in your hands. The wait times for your Form 4s should start going down. Don't wait for HPA. Get yours today.